A day in my life as a handsome Foundation University freshman. Unang first day ng araw, ako ay nag-ready para sa school. As you can see, makikita natin that I am riding motorcycle. Sheesh, tama kayo guys, ang pogi naman itong nasa screen. Di ko ma-explain yung kapugian niya. Hay nako. So this is FU guys, as you can see, napakaganda. Sheesh, ang ganda naman ng view. Parang ako lang talaga yung statue. Nagsta-study well, even though I cannot understand. Ito naman yung green field ng FU University. Apakaganda ng mga building, parang beautiful building lang. Art. This is the cafeteria guys, where foods and pagkain are located. So this is our first class in the afternoon. As you can see, we are listening properly to the teacher. Kahit here in class, di ko pa rin malilimutan magiging pogi 24/7. So after our good handsome listening, we are gonna proceed to the next class. Handsomely. So in the next day, these are my classmates. I don't know who they are, but they are my classmates. As you can see, they look so stressed of our major subject. And me, I am secretly handsome. So this is us trying to graduate so our mom will be proud. This is my Migoy using the vending machine handsomely, like me. Ay nako, ang handsome naman nila, parang hindi totoo. Ang gwapo mo Kuya RJ. We are here in SS Hall, listening carefully. As you can see, I am clearly listening to the reportings. Kahit wala akong naintindihan. After a long tiring day, we are finally done with our final class. And now, I think we're going home now. Sheesh, ang pogi naman ito oh. Kahit ano sinasabi niya, pogi pa rin siya. Ay nako. At dito na magtatapos. That's all.